Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase microphone volume in your Windows. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, you can see on the taskbar on the right side the speaker button. Right click on the button and select the sound option. And after that, on top you can see the recording option. Select the recording option, and here is all the microphones. If you want to increase the volume of your external microphone, you have to click that one, but I am using the internal microphones, so I have to click this one. And now click the levels option on top of the right. And now first of all, you have to make sure that microphone array is on 100%. You have to do that. After that, to boost it, there are few options like 12, 24 and 36. You have to make sure that you are on the right microphone boost. If you boost too much, like 36, your voice may crack, or the quality of the sound will decrease. So each level you have to check the recording, is the sound is okay for you or not. So in this way you can easily boost the sound of your microphone. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will help us, and I will see you guys in the next video.